Hey everyone, welcome back to SoftGPT. Today, we're talking about something most of us dread: making presentations. From blank slides to endless formatting, building a PowerPoint can feel more like a chore than a creative task. You spend hours aligning text, choosing fonts, finding images, only to end up with something that still doesn't feel right. And when you're racing a deadline, it gets even worse. That's why I'm excited to show you AI PPT, an AI-powered tool that makes all that frustration disappear. Just type a sentence and AI PPT turns it into a polished, professional presentation in seconds. No design skills, no stress, just fast, smart results. Let's take a closer look. We're starting right on the AI PPT homepage, which I've linked for you in the video description. The website is modern, clutter-free, and super easy to navigate, perfect for beginners and pros alike. I've already logged into my account, so I'll walk you through everything step by step to show just how simple it really is. To get started, I open ChatGPT and ask it to write a short paragraph about social media marketing. Just a few lines. Once I have that, I copy it into a .txt file and upload it to AiPPT. But here's the cool part. You're not limited to just files. AiPPT lets you upload content from your Google Drive, import from Google Docs or Slides, or even paste a link, and it'll automatically grab the content for you. That makes it incredibly convenient to reuse articles, reports, or anything you've already written online. AiPPT quickly processes the content and within seconds generates a full slide outline. If the structure doesn't quite fit your needs, you can hit the refresh button and generate a new version instantly. There's no need to edit the original text or re-upload. Just refresh and go. That flexibility makes it perfect for experimenting with different styles or tones. Next, I head over to the Style section to choose a design template. AI PPT offers a wide variety of themes, from sleek business layouts to colorful and creative options. Whether your audience is corporate, academic, or casual, there's a style that matches your tone. I select a clean, modern look and click Generate PPT. AI PPT instantly begins building the slides, and watching it in action is genuinely impressive. It feels like a professional designer is behind the scenes, arranging everything slide by slide in real time. Once the presentation is generated, I review the final result. It's clear, well-structured, and visually consistent. The slides reflect the content perfectly, and everything is laid out logically. But what I really appreciate is the built-in editor. If I want to swap out an image, tweak the text, or adjust the layout, I can do it all directly within AiPPT without switching to another program. From this point, I can download the deck in PowerPoint format, export it as a PDF, or even save it as individual images. If you need more variety or want a head start on different types of projects, check out the Templates section. There are tons of pre-made layouts for business proposals, school projects, creative portfolios, and more. You just pick a style, click Generate, and let AiPPT do the rest. It's a fantastic way to get a polished presentation without hiring a designer or spending hours building one manually. And if I'm in a rush, I can present the entire deck live straight from the browser. In short, if you're someone who constantly builds presentations and wants to save time without compromising on quality, AI PPT is an absolute game changer. Combine it with ChatGPT to generate your content, and you've got a fast, smart, and fun workflow that delivers results with zero hassle. Whether you're making decks for clients, classrooms, pitches, or personal projects, this tool will make your life a whole lot easier. Click the link in the description to try AI PPT for yourself. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe to SoftGPT, and tap the bell icon for more AI tools and productivity hacks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.